Hi everyone, thanks for watching today. Today we're going to have a look at different sorts of backgrounds that you can use for photo props. These ideas will really make your photos stand out. So let's get started.
Firstly, let's look at some wallpaper. You can buy lots of different sorts of wallpaper. This one has a matte finish and a texture, and I've stuck it onto some MDF. And you can make these whatever size you like, basically to fit the project that you're creating. And here's what it looks like standing up. Okay, here's something different. You can grab a piece of flute, which you can buy from sign shops or hardware supply stores. This is a little bit more portable. So yeah, just bend your piece of flute in half, and then you can drape a piece of vinyl backdrop over the top or some fabric, and voila, you have an instant photo backdrop. Another idea are these flower walls you can buy from many different places, like florist supply shops. Some $2 shops have them, and they can create a really soft, natural looking backdrop. You probably also have some scrapbook papers lying around in your stash. These can make really nice backdrops because they have a matte finish. Okay, on to my last idea. This is finding some stock photo backgrounds that you can print onto some A3 or A4 matte cardboard. I've got a few different ones here that I've created. These can look really effective used by themselves or together, or perhaps prop them up with your flower background to create a different look.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.